Are you tired of feeling like you're drowning in credit card interest? It's time to take control of your finances and negotiate for lower interest rates with your credit card company. Here's how to do it like a pro. First things first, do your homework. Research current interest rates offered by other credit card companies and gather evidence to support your request for a lower rate. Next, pick up the phone and call your credit card company. Be polite but firm and explain your situation clearly. Highlight any positive aspects of your account, such as your payment history or loyalty, to strengthen your case. If the representative you speak with can't help, don't give up. Ask to speak with a supervisor or explore other options, such as balance transfer offers or consolidation loans. Remember, you have the power to advocate for yourself and improve your financial situation. Don't be afraid to negotiate for a better deal. The potential savings are well worth the effort. Ready to start saving money on interest? Take action today and negotiate for lower rates with your credit card company. Your wallet will thank you.